I don't like where my weekend is heading, but I guess it's happening. My room's a mess. There's a lot of things here and there. There's dhool bhara hua. There's unpacking to be done. Do you see the energy that I have? I can see my weekend going into this, but the truth is, I have to do it. I just have to organize my life out during this weekend. I'm tired. Feel like you need 2 days off after a vacation because it's just so freaking tiring. Yeah, that's what this video is gonna be about. Literally cleaning up during the weekend. Okay, just to make it more comfortable for me, I'm gonna switch on the AC. I need to get this done. I really need AC so that I at least have that energy. You know what I'm saying? I hope you understand what I'm saying. I don't want to do this.
Wanna feel alive again. Got these wrinkles on my face and I'm only 23. And that's just speaking for me. You hit that certain age, you're told to make a living wage. But I swear I just learned my name. I swear I'm not to blame. You're told no more fun, it's off to work. You need to earn a dime to have any work. But I don't play that way. I'm always gonna say, take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and sad and take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up. We really needed that, hey, heads up, heads up. What would you say to your younger self? Life's like a paper plane, don't steer the way. You're told no more fun, it's off to work. You need to earn a dime to have any work. But I don't play that way. And I'm always gonna say, take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and sad and take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up. We really needed that, hey, heads up, heads up. And I keep telling myself, it's gonna be okay, it's gonna be okay, yeah. And even when the sky keeps falling on my head, I'm standing on my feet and reaching for the stars, yeah. Take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and sad.
Now, another thing that I do, which a lot of you might think that it's weird, but at the same time, I feel extremely clean when I do that. Wash my gadgets ka covers and like just wipe the gadgets with sanitizer water or something so that it makes me feel extremely clean.